A new video and a new vehicle means exactly not it's new. Neither I bought it today or a day before. I bought this thing somewhere close to 3.5 years ago and never touched it because of the warranty clause. So this is a GT line Seltos, and we are going to change the engine oil, filters, and a regular annual maintenance on this thing because the warranty is expired now, and I guess I'm the warranty now, so I have to do everything on my own. Never laid my hands on this thing before because of the warranty clause, and it is the direct replacement of the Safari, which I chose. Basically, it's driven by my mother, so an automatic was like a better choice for her. So let's carry on. There are a few things which are common on every car, starting from the very basic. And how are you going to know that it's a time for the maintenance? Uh, like that. कपड़ा को कपड़ा कपड़ा The maximum amount of force you can put with your both hands is more than sufficient for this oil filter. There is absolutely no need of removing the shield. I have removed the shield just because so that I can shoot the video and you can have a better look at what I'm doing. So the service reminder we saw earlier in the video, a lot of people on YouTube will actually tell you how to reset it. They'll tell you go to the all menus and then go into settings, vehicle means cluster, and there will be an option of service interval and you can reset it. As you can see, as I reset it, it asks me to yes or no. Yes, it will tell you that it got successfully restored. Okay, but the days and duration are not changing. And if I'll switch off the vehicle and come back and put it on accessory mode again and the battery ignition, look, it does not reset the service interval because the manufacturer has locked it so that you cannot do it. For that you need a OBD tool, and yes, I've bought a new one. I'm shifting from OBD 11 because of a few reasons. If you have not seen the previous video of this tool, I reviewed it a little bit. It's a small video. I linked that video down in this description in the card above, so you can check it out. So basically what you have to do is plug it in your OBD port, which is right here, and you have to reset it. You can see we just entered inside the car. I turned on the ignition and there is no more service interval reminder. So beware, a lot of the people on YouTube are just trying to have some views and they will not show the video, and their video will end exactly at the moment it shows successful there. It's not gonna happen, at least in our country. This thing is locked. You need a OBD tool to do that.